In my previous video, I showed you the raw version of this project using a breadboard, jumper wires and other components. Now, I have taken it a step further to give it a proper shape and structure. This time, I have soldered all the components and mounted them inside the acrylic case. Since this case is transparent and you can clearly see how everything looks from the outside. And here it is. So this is a device I built on Arduino Nano. It does 4 things: measure distances, act as a security sensor, run a timer, and work as a stopwatch. And many more you can add in the code in the background. When you power it on, it boots up and goes straight into the measure mode. You can see the live distance reading right here on the display. Hit the function button to cycle through the units like centimeters, millimeters, meters, inches and feet. Press hold and it freezes that reading so you can note it down. And there are 3 laser pointers built in, so you can toggle them individually or all at once, so you always know exactly what is sensor pointing at. Way more accurate than guessing. Hold function for a second and a half and it switches modes. In security mode, you set a threshold distance. Anything that crosses it triggers the buzzer and the screen starts flashing. Really useful for a doorway, a storage room, or a server rack, anywhere you need a simple proximity alert without a full security system. Next is the timer mode. You get 5, 10 and 25 presets out of the box, or you can dial in your own custom duration. When time's up, it beeps and flashes until you clear it. Perfect for the workouts, study sessions, lab experiments, and anything that you need a countdown. And finally, the stopwatch. Press hold to start and stop, function to reset, and it counts to the 10th of a second right there on the display. Great for timing physical tests, reaction drills, or just keeping track on the bench. Now the best part. Because this runs on a single Arduino sketch, adding new features is straightforward. A temperature sensor, a SD card for logging readings, a Bluetooth output, a 5th mode, it's all just the code. The hardware is already there. 4 modes, 4 buttons, and 3 lasers, and 1 Arduino Nano. No app, no phone, no Wi-Fi. Just plug it in and it works.